In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust indents in Microsoft Word. Indentation is an essential part of formatting a document, helping your text look organized, professional, and easier to read. Microsoft Word offers multiple ways to adjust indents, whether you're working on a single paragraph, a group of paragraphs, or the entire document, giving you precise control over the layout of your content. To begin, select the paragraph or text that you want to adjust. On the Home tab, you'll see the Increase Indent and Decrease Indent buttons in the paragraph group. Clicking Increase Indent will move your text further to the right, while Decrease Indent brings it closer to the left margin. This method is quick and convenient when you need to make simple adjustments to your document's indentation. For more detailed control, you can use the Paragraph dialog box. With your text selected, right-click and choose Paragraph, or click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Paragraph group on the Home tab. In the dialog box that opens, you can enter specific values for the left and right indents. This is especially useful if you want consistent spacing throughout multiple sections of your document, or if you need precise measurements for a professional layout. Another effective way to adjust indents is by using the ruler at the top of the Word window. If the ruler is not visible, go to the View tab and check the Ruler box to display it. On the ruler, you will see markers for the left indent, first line indent, and hanging indent. The top triangle controls the first line of the paragraph, the bottom triangle adjusts hanging indents, and the small rectangle below them sets the left indent for the entire paragraph. Simply drag these markers to position your text exactly how you want it. Hanging indents, often used in bibliographies or reference lists, can be adjusted by dragging the bottom triangle to the right or by selecting Special Hanging in the Paragraph dialog box. Similarly, first-line indents can be set by dragging the top triangle or choosing First Line from the Special drop-down menu in the dialog box. By using the ruler, the Paragraph dialog box, or the Increase and Decrease Indent buttons, you can efficiently format your document and maintain a clean, professional appearance. Proper indentation not only improves readability, but also ensures your content looks organized and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.